Hello, people. So it is 10 o'clock right now as I am recording this, 10 on the dot, and it is here in Hyderabad, India. They was declared a lockdown for the next 10 days, as in shops and all are open only from 6 to 10 in the morning. So right now it's 10, so technically lockdown starts from now because there, there was a spike of cases. So the government was confused, so the most declaring lockdown has been the most sensible way of trying to prevent the spread. So anyway, just as the video I made just now about losing my pet, so and rabbits should never be kept alone. So this one is there, so now I'll get one more. But now with the stray cat coming visiting, I feel at night time I should just make sure that they are in their cage. Yeah, that I think I can do, so that they are at least safe. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.